What's going on, buddy? My name is Eason, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting into the Greek alphabet for HTML. So this is a very quick video on how to write the Greek alphabet. So we're going to be using entities. So Shift 7, hey, my ant symbol popped up. And if you know the Greek alphabet, so alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and so on, you're just actually going to write the name of that letter. So you're going to use a capital at the beginning for the capital symbol to show up. So we'll do capital A for alpha, and that with a semicolon. Save it, and hey, look, it's there. It looks like a normal A. Let's look at the lowercase version of it, though. So we're just going to do a lowercase a, alpha. Save it. Alright. Looks a little more fancy now. I'll zoom in so y'all can see that. You see it? It's there. It's right there. Cool. Let's get that back up to 100, because I'm going to be writing all the Greek alphabet. I'll zoom in a little more, though. There we go. So yeah, we can do the other one. We'll do beta, capital B. Let's put that on a new line, though. Make sure I have that copied. Then we see it says looks like a normal B from like Times New Roman or something. Well, if we do beta in lowercase, you can see that this is a little bit different now. It looks a little more formal, a little more Greek. Alright, here's a challenge. Can you do all of the Greek alphabet letters? I'm going to do it. I'm going to time lapse, and I'm going to play this music. Let's get this music started. Alright, here we go. Time lapse starting now.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head.
There we go. The Greek alphabet. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, epsilon, or upsilon, however the hell you say it, and phi, chi, psi, omega. There we go. The Greek alphabet. Very, very cool. And we can see here, it doesn't look so much like English anymore. Some foreign language you might see in an old historic thing. I mean, it is Greek for ya. Do you know many people who speak Greek? I don't. But I mean, if you live in Greece, you do. But I don't live in Greece. And that's going to end this video. I have more HTML videos, so you guys want to go check those out. They're there. Very, very cool. The next video is on HTML lists. So that's very, very cool. So yeah, like, subscribe. That's free. It really does help me out if you do so. Leave comment, criticism. I love criticism. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.
Show us.